No be small kasala na im boss for NDU and Masoma we buy first island. When they go for their convocation, when they go for their convocation on Saturday, convocation on Saturday 25th. Some people they convocate, some people conversion they hold them. Because those who see their name for the book, when they tell the graduate name day, some people don't see their name. They only go there, wear gun, hold the bat, snap picture, go back house without certificate, without result. One guy called they interview the graduates, so people when not graduate, when they convocate, when would they call graduate? Some say don't even serve NYSC. They don't come back. Some don't they work. Now they call ask them. Now you don't finish university. You go prepare your CV to go labor market. He say, okay. Now, what will be the meaning of CV? And then the problem possible. Says one say CV, na certificate information verified. Okay, another one say certificate of virtue. I don't know whether at the time when they born you that they give whether that one they refer to. I don't know. Then another one say certificate verification. But that is graduate for Nigeria. I don't know what that they call CV. People call they love them. But I shock. So a whole graduate for Nigeria, I don't know what it be CV. CV now be certificate verification. Oh boy, see. That girl when say certificate of verification, so I not blame her. Because for by SI, the verification when civil server don't do, he reach to get certificate. So I not blame her. And those of you now, whenever I watch the video now, we are watching now.
Quick one now, you know when you go into the labor market, you have to submit a CV to look for a job, right?
Yeah.
What's the meaning of CV? Don't worry, there is no need. What's CV?
Certificate of virtue.
What's the meaning of CV? Think about the CV.
Certificate of verification.
What are you trying to verify?
Your details, yeah, from your name to your maybe the school you graduated from and all that.
What's the meaning of CV?
I don't know.
You're doing well now. I'm feeling you. What's the meaning of CV?
Certificate information verified.
What's the meaning of CV?
CV, curriculum vitae.
Spell the vitae.
VIRTUE.
Shy idiot.
What's the meaning of CV?
The meaning of CV, curriculum vitae.
Spell the vitae.
Is that?
Spell the vitae.
VITEA.
Oh my What's the meaning of CV?
CV is curriculum vitae.
Spell the vital.
VITAL.
Show me and see the video. Now, the whole graduate from Nigeria not know it be CV. You go blame them? No, because not be this country we did minister screening, whether they screen minister nominee, not know national item. This country is still be minister. Now this country we know we did when our senator said some of them don't even know the pledge. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to serve Nigeria is not by force. They're not Sabia. So you go blame the people who say CV, now certificate information verified, CIV. No. I better go another place, leave these people here.